this is Chef Seth. Welcome to Noodles Italian Cafe, my kitchen, our restaurant, and we invite it to be your home.
My name is Bob Austin. They also call me Jersey Bob. Noodles has welcomed me and made me feel like a family member and brought me into the crowd. I get to enjoy everybody here, the waiters, the waitresses, the owners, and they allow me to present my music to the crowds that always seem to enjoy it and make me feel wonderful. I think one of the hardest things for an entertainer here is finding a volume that lets the people enjoy themselves, that they can still hear each other talk. You notice the first table in front of you, you make sure that the level is enough that they can still enjoy themselves while you're entertaining them with your music. My favorite dish at Noodles, I'm a sushi maniac, and this place is the bomb.
Be sure to come back next week to see about Noodles' famous happy hour. Over 50 small dinner plates for a happy hour, drinks, our bartenders, people in here dancing, have a good time. Monday through Friday, and Wednesday and Thursday, extended happy hour. See you next week. Tune in every Wednesday for Noodles recipes, tips, and tricks. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Chef Seth Berman.